Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hemingway Editor for Readability SEO scores easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the address for Hemingway Editor. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login option. Click on the login button, typically found at the top right corner. You will be redirected to a login page. Here, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. If you encounter an error, verify your credentials and try again. Upon successfully logging in, you will see the main interface. Here, you can start analyzing your text for readability and SEO scores. To begin, copy and paste your text into the editor. The tool will instantly provide you with feedback. Review the readability score and suggested improvements. Use this feedback to enhance your writing and optimize for SEO. Explore additional features to further refine your content. Enjoy the benefits of a clearer, more engaging writing style. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.